Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Sublime Text and immediately opening the folder you'll work in. This gives you the project context. Once done, create a new file and save it with the correct extension so syntax highlighting and build systems activate. Make sure to enable Sidebar. View Sidebar shows Sidebar to navigate files quickly. You'll use the command palette next, but first confirm file encoding and line endings from the bottom bar, so tools behave predictably. Now take control of editing. Use the command palette and go to anything to jump between files and symbols quickly. You'll create multiple cursors with Ctrl plus click or Ctrl plus D so repetitive edits take seconds rather than minutes. Install package control first, then add LSB for language features, Git for version control integration, and Emmet for HTML/CSS speedups. Make sure to configure settings via Preferences settings. Local overrides go in the right. Finally, run builds and automation. Press Ctrl plus B or set up a custom build system for your compiler or task runner. Customize key bindings and preferences in JSON so your workflow becomes muscle memory, and add snippets or macros for repetitive tasks. If something breaks, open the console with Ctrl plus to read errors, and restart in safe mode to determine whether a package is the culprit. Make sure to back up your user folder before major changes, so you can revert quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.